On October 7th, 2023, Israel was forever changed. Here are your 5 vast facts on that shocking and tragic day. Number 1, October 7th was the most devastating day in Israeli history. More Israelis were killed on that day than in the entire Second Intifada, which lasted for 4 years. Number 2, Israel was totally blindsided by this attack. Yes, there were some intelligence agencies that had been speaking about something, but Israel had no idea about the scope and the extent of what was about to happen to them and what did happen to them on that very day. It was shattering to Israel's myth of the security that they had beefed up. Number 3, there were around 6,000 Palestinians that crossed the border, that flew in from the sky, that came by the sea, that came by land. Most of them were Hamas, and many were not actually part of Hamas, where they killed, raped, tortured, and where they took over 250 hostages. Number 4, in the wake of this absolutely horrific day, Israel came together and Israelis came together like never before. They had unity, they had solidarity. Since then, however, there's been tension, there's been friction, and one specific example is whether or not the main focus should be to annihilate Hamas altogether, or whether or not the main focus should be to return the hostages. That's been the debate ever since. And number 5, for the past 17 months, Israel has been at war. It is the longest war in Israeli history. Tens of thousands of Palestinians have been killed. To this day, not all the hostages have been released and been returned to Israel. Antisemitism in the world has spiked in Australia, in the US, in Canada, in the United Kingdom, seemingly everywhere. For the full story, check out the Unpacking Israeli History podcast, link in the bio.